All right, hey, welcome to What We Thought. You know, spring is coming up fast. I've been busy in the house in the cooler months trying to convert an old smaller bedroom into a bathroom. If you haven't seen that series yet, go check it out. It's not quite done yet as of this video, but it's sure getting there. Okay, and then we've got a lot of gardening, a lot of cleanup to do out here in the backyard to get ready for spring and plant our new planters, all of our vegetables, our garden. And but today what I'm going to do is that right there is our garden pond. Just a little pond, little water feature, and I purposely let it kind of evaporate over the winter. You know, it froze. It still worked on all the days that it was above 32. It's got a little solar pump on it. And anyway, it's down. It's evaporated. I need to get all the dead leaves and everything out of the bottom and kind of wipe the sides down, and then get it filled up and get that thing pumping up again. All right, so that's what we're doing today. All right, so as you can see, it's got a lot of muck down there at the bottom, and then it comes up and up to there from that pump. So, and all these sidewalls are dirty. So I've just got an old dish sponge to help get in the little spots, and then just an old sponge, and yeah, and get that cleaned out. Okay, for now, I'm just going to let this run for a while and let this drain out, and then I'll come back, clean up what's left at the bottom, and fill it up. Okay, don't know if you can see down in there, there's still fine powder. I've run clean water in there a few times and let it drain out, but now I'm going to break out the shop vac and get the little bit of that left and fill this back up. Okay, so let me get the water feature connected, and we'll get this thing filled up. All right. Okay, our pond is clean. It's one thing down that we need to do back here. This water feature, I'll tell you what, the cats, the neighborhood cats, the birds, of course the birds have to fly for their life when the cats are around, but they all love coming and drinking out of these little petals. It's fun to watch. You can't catch the cats because they get spooked. Same with the birds most of the time, or I would include a little clip. If I can by chance catch them, I will. But yeah, all right, nice clean pond, little feature pond in the backyard here. And boy, like I said, we got a lot of cleanup to do and get our garden going. There's that pond. That's our little water feature back here. Thanks for checking this out. Got it all clean. And man, I got to get back to that bathroom. The bathroom renovation. All right, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Thanks for checking this out. Hope you have a great day.